Hello viewers, today I am going to discuss about SAP reservation for different type of the activity for the material movement, right? So MB21 is the SAP GUI transaction to create a manual material reservation, okay, in both ECC and S4 HANA. In S4 HANA you can also use Fiori apps manage for the manual reservation, right? For this you can use MB21 SAP codes. When you must pre-plan a good issue in production, cost center and maintenance, and then post the good issue later, like using Migo and MB1A, right? What MB21 does, what is the purpose of the MB21? Create a reservation to reserve material quantity for a specific requirement, like for the project, for the projection order, for the cost center, for the maintenance, for the stock transfer, right? For example, in my main SLOC ABC, we have a certain 100 quantities available for unrestricted use, right? I just want to reserve 25 quantities for the capital expenditure or capital project and 20 quantity for our maintenance job in the for the particular periods, right? So remaining 55 quantity is available for use and 45 quantity is reserved. So system give you message when you move any type of the inventory that 45 quantities are already reserved for this job, right? Where available? SAP ECC and S4 HANA and S4 HANA apps for the manual reservation, right? MB22 and MB23, these are the transaction. MB22 is for the change reservation and MB23 for the display reservation, right? So what are the steps involving in MB21? You can use MB21 in the command window or the SAP menu path. SAP easy access, go in the logistic menu, go in the material management menu, inventory management, go in the reservation, create or enter MB21 in the command field, right? In the header data, enter plant, reservation date, movement type. For example, you use movement type 201 for the consumption to cost center, 261 for the consumption against any maintenance order, right? 241 for the good issue against asset, 242 for the asset to inventory, and 311 for the storage location transfer. So these are the different types of the reservation movement type which involve in the SAP reservation, right? So movement type and account assignment cannot be changed after posting. See, it's very clear when you are planning any reservation. So be very specific about movement type and account assignment, right? So once you fill these data like plant, reservation date and movement type, third step is item lines. For each item number there is a material number, which is material code, quantity, unit, storage location if known, and account assignment like cost center, production order, WBS if reserving for the production order including order number, right? Check availability. Use availability check if your system is configured to do so. Reservation can affect MRP, ATP depending on the settings. System returns once you save, system returns a reservation number. Use this number when posting with the good issue like Migo good issue to reservation, right? So below are some common movement type in a very specific cases. 201 is a good issue for the cost center, internal consumption. We are using 201 for the direct consumable items. 261, good issue for the production order. Like when we plan our stocks for any maintenance activity, we can plan in our maintenance order. Once we plan our stocks in the maintenance order, system by default generate a reservation number against movement type 261. 281 for the good issue from SLOC to directly into the project RWBS. System again plan a background reservation with the movement type 281, right? 311 transfer posting storage location to storage location, one step within plant. So these are the common movement type, right? 301 plan to plan transfer. For example, I just want to transfer my ABC01 plan to ABC02. Directly we can transfer our inventory using movement type 301. Okay. Choose this movement type carefully. It defines accounting stocks behavior, right? For example, generally we are transferring the stocks using stock transfer order between one plan to another plan. But if you directly plan this movement type in single step in Migo command, then be very careful, right? Troubleshooting and best practices. Error movement type not allowed. Ensure chosen movement type support reservation, right? For movement types are for posting only. Dependent reservations. Reservation created by orders like production and maintenance are dependent and cannot be edited directly, right? Authorization. For the use of movement and creation of the reservation MB21, you should have a proper authorizations, proper roles binded on your SAP position and banner, right? Otherwise system will give you error, you are not authorized to use transaction MB21. Getting my points? Again I am repeating, these are the SAP T codes and their details. Using MB21 we can create reservation. Using MB22 we can change reservation. Using MB23 we can display reservation, and MB25 we can check the all type of the reservation within a plant and any specific SLOC, right? So this is all about what is SAP reservation for the material movement, what's their importance and details. So please share this knowledge with your friends and colleagues who is working in the area of material management. And again, if you think this SAP tutorial is useful for you, then press a like button and don't forget to subscribe our SAP channel for the latest SAP updates. Have a good day. Have a great learning.